Do you dip your bacon in maple syrup? If so, this recipe is for you. Today we're making maple bacon popcorn. We're making maple bacon popcorn today. So we're using 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil, 3 cups of kernels, and we're using this Kernel seasoned maple bacon popcorn seasoning. We just picked this up at the grocery store, and we're gonna be using 2/3 of a cup of this. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil, 3 cups of corn. If you want some of that maple bacon popcorn seasoning, there'll be a link right down in the description. All right, we're starting to pop up. All right, we're nice and popped up here. Nice hot popcorn. All right, we're gonna dump it in this food safe bag. We're gonna put in 2/3 of a cup of maple bacon popcorn seasoning. You can really smell that maple. Oh yeah, that's really sweet. It smells really good. Give it a little shake. Get that popcorn all coated. Oh wow. Oh, when that bag opened, the smell of that just hits you right in the face. It smells so good. Let's give it a little try here. Let's take a look at it. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh, the maple is really good. The bacon, you can't smell the bacon at all, but when you taste it, you can really taste that bacon and that maple combination together. A little savory, a little sweet. Really, really, really good. You can get some of this maple bacon popcorn seasoning at your local grocery store, but there'll also be a link down in the description. So get out there and get popping.